show? I thought it's your cooking show.
It's our baking show. Okay, welcome to our baking show this afternoon. We will be teaching you how to do chocolate chip cookies. This is a perfect recipe for you to do over the weekend with your children. The ingredients is quite easy to find, and I think everybody will have fun to make and eat this. Alright, so Ileana will be introducing the ingredients that we need for today's recipe.
So we have 90 grams of butter, 140 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 egg that I kept in the fridge, half a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and lastly 75 grams of chocolate chips.
Alright guys, just to add, the butter must be unsalted and then the egg is chilled. And for this recipe, the equipment that you will need is a baking tray that is lined with paper, a big mixing bowl, a sieve and a spatula. So let's get started with the butter and sugar into the bowl. Rihanna, can you please add the sugar? Yes, you can add that over here. And I will use an electrical hand mixer to mix this together. After mixing for about a minute, you would like to scrape the bowl and scrape it down. This also gives you a chance to feel that the butter is soft and the color of the butter actually changed to two shades lighter. So it's a lighter, paler yellow color. And next will be the egg and vanilla. Liana, can you please add in the vanilla? Half a teaspoon of vanilla. The egg, when I mix in the egg, I will always use the mixer on a low speed, so just 1 notch. Again, scrape the sides, check that the mixture has thickened up and is nice and smooth. Looks good, right? And next we'll do sifting. We can add all the dry ingredients to the sieve. Can you see that? And then we will use a spatula to stir that in. That's very good, the spatula. chips just keep stirring. Next step will be to scoop it onto a baking tray, and we will just use 2 teaspoons for this process. So we want to scoop a dollop of the mixture and then just drop it onto the tray. Try to keep all the cookies the same size, yeah, otherwise the baking will not be even. To scoop it. To space out the cookies a little bit more, okay, you can just pick it up and space it, okay, especially if smaller children do it. The concept of getting it evenly spaced might not be there, so you just space it out, okay, all more or less the same size. Okay, for the next step we can just flatten it a little bit. That's it. This will go into the oven. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees centigrade, and the top and bottom heat is on. I will position the tray somewhere in the middle of the oven. Let's have a look at the cookies. This has actually been just a little bit longer than 15 minutes. It smells absolutely amazing. So you can see it is golden brown, and when you give a little squeeze at the sides of the cookie, it should be firm. Alright, so yeah, golden brown on top, golden brown on the bottom. I'm just going to bring the tray out and set it aside to cool down.